So I'm here at InnoTrans and I'm on the Siemens stand. I have to tell you that if you haven't seen it, you've missed out on something quite spectacular. Follow the X to digitalization is definitely how the stand has been designed and how the technology has been integrated. But I'm standing here with Vasco and we're going to talk about the Siemens Xcelerator and how that integrates between infrastructure and the customer and the end user being the passenger as well. Vasco, thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
High level, what is the Siemens Xcelerator?
Well, first of all, welcome here to our Siemens booth and into this beautiful accelerator cube. So the Siemens Xcelerator is our new digital business platform. It has three parts, and I'll quickly go over them. It has a portfolio, so that means that our products are going to be integrated into the Siemens Xcelerator. It has an ecosystem of partners where certified partners will be invited and be able to join us in developing new products in the marketplace, where these products will be available also from third parties. The Xcelerator is an architectural promise that we as Siemens make of how we're going to develop our products in the future. And this promise has three parts. Part number one is that all of the products and most of the software products that we have, we're going to make them more modular.
Okay.
So every platforms and products you buy today, you'll be able to get individual models of those. Part number two is every module is going to have APIs, and we're opening up the APIs. So that means it will be much easier to integrate them into third-party systems. If you use, as an operator, you use a system from Siemens, system from other companies, it will make it much easier to integrate them and create a new solution.
And that's quite a big step, because normally it would be, or traditionally it would be closed for an OEM, and now you've opened it up for third parties. So that's quite exciting.
Yes, that's really the really big step and a big decision that we're doing, right? Opening up these APIs and inviting partners to develop this with us. Third part is we're developing everything into the cloud, so it will be easier for the customer to integrate our systems into their solutions, but because they will not need a dedicated IT infrastructure for that.
All right, so let's start at the basics of Xcelerator.
Yeah.
So Xcelerator from a Siemens perspective, how does that integrate with all the users? What is Xcelerator?
What is Xcelerator? So right now our Xcelerator portfolio has two parts. It has what we call the Mobility Suite X. This has all the systems that we have today that are passenger facing. So what we call today skills, what we call HACON, about ticketing, reservation, and so on. That will be available in the Mobility Suite X. And our other solution is called the Railigent X, where Railigent is today. We call Railigent X because it will be updated with according to the new standards and guidelines that we have of the Xcelerator, and that compromises all of the systems that are relevant for the maintenance company, for the asset owner, and so on. So asset management, maintenance management, and this is true both for rolling stock and for rail infrastructure.